now I'm going to show you how to install Virtualbox on Windows 10 host. First you go to Google and search Oracle Virtualbox and go to download. So for the download you will have multiple setup files. So first you click on Windows host. The latest version is version 7. The download will start. And also you have to install the extension pack for the VirtualBox extension to work for the guest machine. So second download. Okay. So after the download has been complete, you uh, run the setup files. The setup windows will appear here. So you can click next and next for the default folder location and next uh, you can just continue to click next. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes, depends on your computer, how fast it is. During the installation, your computer network may be interrupted. So we just got, just click finish to start the VirtualBox version 7. Here now we have Oracle VirtualBox version 7, which is a new interface, uh, different than version 6. And then the second installation we need is the extension pack. Here we have already downloaded. Okay, so when we open the downloaded extension pack, it will ask for the installation. So the extension pack should be version 7, which is suitable for VirtualBox version 7. And then we click install. You read the license agreement further down and click I agree. The sidebar on the right will show the status of the installation. So now the installation should be finished. You can uh, go to the preference. Uh, okay, you can go to the file menu, tools, and extension pack manager to see if the extension pack has been installed. So this one has already been installed. So it will be used together with your virtual machine. So from now you have already completed the VirtualBox installation on Windows 10 host, and now you can start creating a new virtual machine inside your local PC. Thanks for watching.